Hey there, super sleuths. Detective Clue here, ready to teach you one of the coolest skills out there, making inferences. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving mysteries in stories, conversations, and even life. Let's dive in. What are inferences? An inference is when you take the clues you see or hear and combine them with what you already know to figure out something that isn't directly said. Like this. If there are muddy shoes and footprints heading outside, what do you think just happened? Someone probably went outside in the mud, right? That's an inference. Why making inferences is important. Making inferences helps you understand stories, conversations, and even situations in real life. Authors and speakers don't always say everything directly. They leave hints for you to figure out. It's like solving little puzzles everywhere you go. How to make an inference. Step 1. Look for clues. These could be words, pictures, or details in the story. If someone is shivering and wearing a jacket, what clue are we seeing? They must be cold. Step 2. Use what you know. You know that shivering usually happens in cold weather. Combine that with the clues. Step 3. Put it together. Clues plus what you know equals inference. The shivering person must be outside on a chilly winter day. See how easy that was? Let's practice. Imagine you're at lunch and you see your friend frowning and staring at their plate. Maybe they don't like their food, or maybe they're upset about something. The clues are their facial expression and their behavior. Inferences are everywhere in real life. Now it's time to show what you've learned. Looking at this picture, what might you infer about the woman wiping her eyes? You might infer that she is tired. Your clues are her wiping her eyes and the cup in front of her that might be coffee. Okay, let's give this one a try. What would you infer if you saw this? You might infer that a toddler accidentally spilled their milk. Looking at this picture, what do you think is happening? It looks like somebody's dog is missing, and they're really sad about it. What clues do you see in this video? First, we see that there's a moving truck with things already in it. Next, we see people bringing boxes with things in them to put on the truck. So if they have a moving truck and they're putting things on it to take somewhere else, it is safe for us to infer that they are moving. Looking at the pictures, what might you infer? Seeing clues like the crib being put together and the baby shower, you might infer that this family is expecting a new baby. Okay, let's do one more. What might you infer from watching this video? You'd be right if you inferred that she is late to class. Let's recap. An inference is when you take the clues you see or hear and combine them with what you already know to figure out something that isn't said directly. Inference making isn't just for books, it's for everything. Making inferences helps you understand stories, conversations, and especially situations in real life. All right, Super Sleuths, your mission is to look for clues and make inferences all week. Whether it's in a book, a movie, or something you see, try to figure out the hidden meaning. Remember, every good detective practices their skills. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more It's Easy with Twinkl videos.